Welcome back, everyone. Today, I have a very delicate question for Sakura. This is entirely a question from a friend. For a friend.
友達の質問ですか?
toh-moh-dah-chee. toh-moh-dah-chee. It means friend. toh-moh-dah-chee. Yes, my friend. He is visiting Tokyo soon, and he wanted me to ask, how do you say cannabis in Japanese?
大麻ですか?
Da. Da. It means cannabis/weed. Tie-mah. Right. Tie-mah. So, my friend wants to know, can a person find that in Japan?
ビル、絶対にダメです。
絶対にだめ.絶対にだめ. It means absolutely not. Zet-tie-nee da me. Wow. Zero hesitation. She said absolutely not. Her smile just completely disappeared.
日本の法律はとても厳しいです。
Ho-oh. It means law. hoh-ree-tsoo. The law is very strict. But wait. My friend is just a tourist on vacation. Does it really matter?
外国人も同じです。
guy-koh-koo-jinも同じ. guy-koh-koo-jinも同じ. It means foreigners are the same. guy-koh-koo-jinもoh-nah-jee. She says foreigners are the exact same. Okay. So, what actually happens if my friend ignores that?
逮捕されます。
逮捕されます. 逮捕されます. It means we'll be arrested. tie-hoh sah-reh-mah-soo. Arrested. Well, that sounds like a terrible way to spend a vacation.
はい。そして、日本にもう来られません。
もう来られません. もう来られません. It means cannot come anymore. もう来られません. And you can't come back to Japan. Ever. One mistake, and you are out permanently.
そうです。さようなら、日本。
さようなら. さようなら. It means goodbye. sah-yoh-nah-rah. Goodbye, Japan. Okay, message received. But what if someone on the street offers to sell it to him?
とても危ないです。
ah-boo-nye. ah-boo-nye. It means dangerous. ah-boo-nye. Dangerous. Like scam dangerous? Like you lose your wallet in an alleyway?
悪い人が多いです。詐欺です。
Fine-zo. Fine-zo. It means scam. sah-ghee. She says there are a lot of bad people. And it's a scam. So you either lose your money, or you get arrested, or both.
だから、絶対に買わないでください。
買わないで. 買わないで. It means, do not buy, kah-wah-nye-deh. Please absolutely do not buy it. Don't try, don't buy, don't carry. It is zero tolerance.
日本には楽しいことがたくさんありますよ。
That is true. There are plenty of fun, completely legal things to do instead.
美味しいラーメンを食べましょ
う。ramen. ramen. It means ramen. Ramen. Let's eat delicious ramen. Ramen is definitely safer and much cheaper than a lawyer.
お茶を飲みましょ
う。oh-chah. oh-chah. It means tea. oh-chah. Drink green tea. Very calming. Excellent for the nerves when you're not getting arrested.
夜はカラオケに行きましょう。
karaoke. karaoke. It means karaoke. karaoke. Yes. Ruining a classic pop song in front of your friends is completely legal in Tokyo.
ビルの友達に伝えてくださいね。
Oh, I will tell him. I am going to text him right now. Stick to the snacks and the culture.
はい、約束ですよ。
Poor Tswower. It means promise. Yeah, cool, so cool. It's a promise. Thanks, Sakura. You probably just saved a tourist from making a life-ruining mistake.
どういたしまして。またね。
You're welcome, she says. See you next time. Everyone, enjoy Japan safely.